Hello students, our today's point is physical features of India. The topic is related to geography. Class 9th. The physical features of India. Major physiographic divisions. The physical features of India are grouped under the following physiographic division. First, Himalayan Mountain. Himalayan Mountain, the first physiographic division. The second, Northern Plain. The Northern Plain. Third, the Peninsular Plateau. This particular area is a peninsular plateau. Fourth, Indian Desert, normally we known as a Thar Desert. Fifth physiographic part of India, coastal plain, both sides, eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. The island group of India. The first is Andaman and Nicobar, the second is Lakshadweep Island. So let's discuss each of them in detail. The first point is Himalayan Mountain. This is the Himalayan Mountain. Himalayan Mountain. Himalaya. Him, Ala. In a Sanskrit, Him means snow, Ala means home. Yani ki baraf ka ghar, the house of snow. Himalaya. Himalaya mountain are stretched over the northern border of India. These mountain range run in a west-east direction from the Indus to Brahmaputra. West-east direction from Indus River here to Brahmaputra River in this particular area in Assam, in the eastern part of India. So, the Himalayan mountain range in a west-east direction from the Indus to Brahmaputra, the Himalaya consists of three parallel range, and its longitudinal extent. The one, northernmost range. This is the northernmost range. The northernmost range known as Great or Inner Himalaya or Himadri. Himadri, it's also Sanskrit word. Him, it means snow. Adri means cover, the snow cover. The Great or Inner Himalaya or Himadri, it is most continuous range consisting of the loftiest peak with an average height of 6,000 meter. 6,000 meter. The range laying the south of Himadri from the most rugged mountain system, and it's known as Himachal or Laser Himalaya. Himachal or Laser Himalaya. Okay, so the Pir Panjal range basically we known as the Kashmir Valley located in a Pir Panjal mountain range. So Pir Panjal range from the longest and the most important range, the outermost range of Himalaya in this particular area known as the Shivalik mountain range. So basically the three range, first the Greater or Inner Himalaya or Himadri. Second, Himachal or Laser Himalaya. And a third, the Shivalik range. Okay, on a longitudinal basis, the longitudinal valleys laying between the Laser Himalaya and Shivalik range. This is the Laser Himalaya, just like that, and the Shivalik range in between the longitudinal cities was known as dunes. Like Dehradun, Kotli Dun, Patli Dun are some of the well-known dunes. The second point of the physiographic division of India, Northern Plain. Northern Plain has been formed by the interplay with the three major river systems. The first, Indus, second, Ganga, and a third, Brahmaputra. With their tributaries, it spread over an area near about 7 lakh square kilometer. Yes, the Northern Plain, the approx total area 7 lakh square kilometer. The Northern Plain is broadly divided into three sections as mentioned. The first, the western part of the Northern Plain is referred. The western part of Northern Plain, this is the totally Northern Plain. The western part of this Northern Plain is referred to as the Punjab Plain. And this plain is from Indus and their tributaries like Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Vyas and Satluj. The second part of this northern plain, the middle part and the main part of the northern plain, Ganga Plain. The Ganga Plain extended between Ghaggar and Teesta River. Ghaggar and Teesta River. It is spread over the states of North India like Haryana, Delhi, UP, Bihar and partly Jharkhand and West Bengal. Now the third part of northern plain is a Brahmaputra Plain, lies in a state of Assam. This is the all green area. This green area, the basically is a total northern plain. The western part is known as a Punjab, middle part is known as a Ganga Plain and third part is a Brahmaputra Plain, lies in a Assam. According to the variation in elevation point, the northern plain can be divided into 4 regions. Again, number 1, the rivers after descending from the mountains deposit pebbles in a narrow bed of about 8 to 16 km in width, laying a parallel to the slope of the Shivalik, which is known as Bhavar. All the streams disappear in this Bhavar bed, all the foothills of the Himalaya. The second variations, the streams, the water streams and river re-emerge and create a wet, swampy and marshy region known as a Tarai. The mostly northern part of UP and Bihar and some other area count as that. Third, the largest part of northern plain is from the older alluvium. Older alluvium means old alluvial soil. It lies above the floodplains of the rivers and present terrace-like features which is known as Bangar. Normally the rural peoples of India discuss about the Khadar and Bangar. So what is a Khadar? The soil in a Bangar region contains a calcareous deposit and it's known as a Kankar. The newer, younger deposit of the floodplain are called Khadar. So, dear students, in next lesson, we will discuss about the other part of this chapter, physical features of India, like a peninsular plateau, island, coastal plain, etc. Thank you.